So hi everyone, today I will be demonstrating how you can use Llama 3.1 to build a RAG retrieval system to talk to your external files, be it TXT files or PDF or any other document using LangChain. So let's get started. So first of all, you need to pip install LangChain Community, LangChain, Google GenAI, LangChain Core, ChromaDB, Grok. So especially we are using Grok to get the free Llama 3.1 API. So Grok is providing you with the free API for 70B and 8B model. Similarly, we are using Google GenAI to get the free API key for the embedding model. So basically, if you don't know, in RAG you need to have two models, one that generates embedding for the text and second, which is an LLM. So once you have created your free API keys, if you don't know how to create the free API keys, you can refer back to my previous videos. I have already covered this. So you first need to load the embedding model and the chat model from Grok and the embedding model from Google Generative AI. I'm using the 3.1 8B model for now. Once done, the rest of the process remains very similar to a standard rack system. You need to call out a retrieval QA chain, character text splitter for pre-processing the data, Chroma DB for storing the vectors that you would be creating, and text loader. So text loader will be helping us to load the external document, which is a text.txt file. If I show you the content, it's nothing but around Marie Curie, a very baseline paragraph that I've added just for demonstration purposes. Once done, you need to pass it to the text splitter for pre-processing and save the embeddings generated into the Chroma DB. That's it. Now you need to call the retrieval QA chain that will help us to create the RAG retrieval system where you are passing the LLM. Chain type is not mandatory. Retriever is mandatory, which will be passing you the Chroma DB object. Once done, just call out this chain dot run who is Marie Curie, so you can get an answer depending upon the paragraph that you have said. So for now, I tested out both 70B as well as the 8B model. I felt 8B model is performing better. I'm not sure how, but the 8B model is giving me better result as compared to 70B model. Both the models are free. The 405 billion model is not free by Grok, but the other two versions are free. So I think I would suggest you to check that API out and build your rack system and let me know how is your performance on a real world data. Thank you so much. So hi everyone, my new book Langchain in Your Pocket, Beginner's Guide to Building Gen AI Applications Using LLMs is out now on Amazon. The book is already a bestseller. As you can see, it is trending on #3 on Amazon bestsellers. So go grab your copies and find the link in the description below. Thank you so much.